I forgot to tell you guys this, but found out maybe a couple months ago. There's this one cat that comes into the yard. We name it Hazel, but Hazel finally was pregnant a couple months ago. And she finally had her kittens. Now, I don't know if you guys seen that, but I forgot, a couple days ago, I forgot, I'm like, oh yeah, I filmed videos and I put them up. But I forgot to put them on, let you know that Hazel had kittens. And but I did find out who the daddy was.